Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. So guys, these are the things we'll be needing to prepare this drink. First is lemon, second is ginger, and the third one is green tea, and the last one is honey. So guys, after I finish peeling and washing my lemon and everything alongside with the ginger. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys on how to prepare a drink that can boost your immune system. So the immune system is the body defense against infection. Your immune system protects against diseases, infection, and help you recover after an injury. Other than your nerve system, your immune system is the most complex system in your body. So guys, I will be listing out some food that may help you boost your immune system. Ginger, spinach, sweet potato, broccoli, turmeric, dark chocolate, blackberry, garlic, spinach, yogurt, almond, grapefruit, orange, tangerine, green tea, wheat, and chicken. So those are the foods that can easily boost up your immune system. Video. Thanks for staying tuned. Please subscribe if you haven't already, share, like, give it a thumbs up and good comments. See you on my next one. Bye bye.